Hi guys, at this video I show you some tricks of Windows 11, and I decided to create some like this video. And at this video I show you some these useful tricks. At the first one I show you how to increase or decrease your sound volume with roll up or roll down, middle, bottom of your mouse. You see that when I roll up my button, sound volume is increased, and when roll down, sound is decreased. Without I click on the sound logo at the bottom of the screen. Okay, let's go to the next trick. When you need to use open apps on your Windows, you can choose one style of the top of your screen. For the next trick, I show you how to separate our window very quickly. Feature is very useful in Windows 11. Okay, for that I show you when you open program or open application, when you use open the application in one screen, you can choose that's application and select to the top of your screen. A region appear for you that you choose your style. For example, I choose that. At the premiere is the left of my screen, and I should select the 2 and 3 program. Choose my YouTube channel for the bottom of that, and I can use with all of them at the same time. Okay, that's one that's very useful for you when you have a big monitor. That's very attractive and very useful for your works. Okay, let's go to the next tip. This tip and tricks about the taskbar, Windows 11 taskbar. You can change something about that. Okay, click on right click on that, and taskbar setting. Click on taskbar setting. You can change style of your taskbar items. You can change style of search section. And by click on that, hide, search icon only, search icon label, and search box. That's a wide search box. Okay. And after that, you can show virtual keyboard on or off. That's icon show on the system tray icon, and on the other system tray icon you can choose at this part. Taskbar behavior, you can align at the left of the taskbar. Every icon moves to the left of the taskbar, and you can change, and you can only to the center with this button. Automatically hide your taskbar, and when your cursor on that that's show up. Combine taskbar button at and the hide labels always, or when taskbar is full. That's very crowded, and I don't like this. Okay, always. And Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe my channel if you like videos by this subject. Share with your friends if they need, and if you like this video, push like that, and see you soon. And I try to create new videos for you. Have a nice time and bye.